Hi, this is Scott Johnson. Welcome back to our video series about how to build a digital business card in NOWSITE. If you like this video, this series, hit the like button. Also invite you to subscribe so you can continue to stay where it concerns knowing exactly how to build your website here at NOWSITE. Hey, today we're going to talk about video, and we're going to take and remove the image that we did on the last image, and we do that by simply selecting the image, and we click that trash can up there on the top right of the image. And then we're going to take over here on the left hand side, we're going to look for that video icon right here. We're going to drag it right over in here and drop that in here. The next thing we're going to do is we've got to get our link. So where's our link? It is in Vimeo or YouTube. You got two choices. And I'm going to drop this in here temporarily. This is not going to be what I'm going to end up with, but right here you place that link in this little place where it says link. You don't want to necessarily fill out the words heading or subheading because it types right over on top. Well, here on image, when you're in images, it's going to put it on the image. In video, it's going to put it just above it. Okay, now let's talk about what I'm offering. The enter now for a chance to win a free 5-night Mexican vacation in Mexico. On the last one was of Las Vegas. So one of the things that we do here is we don't want to create too much value. Because it's too good to be true. Most people look at this and go, wow, if you're just going to give me a free vacation just for filling out a form, there's got to be a catch. Well, there is no real catch. The company is legitimate, and they really are great vacations that we give away. They give away all kinds of things, discount food cards, discount hotel cards across the nation, the country. It's pretty phenomenal. But I'm going to need to but I'm going to bring that down a little bit, make people work for this vacation by filling out the form so they get a chance to win the vacation. So like I could do a contest once a month, once a week, whatever it might be. All right, so we're going to have to change the information up here on the top, because you don't get it. You have to get a chance to get a vacation, get a chance. So I'm going to type over here the word chance to win a free vacation. Okay, sounds a lot better. And that's basically it. That's what we do. We want to obviously put a down at the bottom here, we got left over this wording, sign up here, a last call to action. That's probably pretty important. So let's see if it's going to let us drag that. It's not going to, I don't think. Yeah, it will. Let's see what we can do here. We're going to drop that right there, sign up here. And that's a great call to action. Sign up here for your chance, okay? Or you could change the word and make that a little smaller. So to make it a little smaller, obviously, you would go in here on the style section next to content. You go down here to, I believe, right there. Let's see. This is a subheading, I believe. No, it was the heading. So we're going to go right here and move this bar just a little bit. Sign up here, okay? And go back up to up here, there's two sections. Click on content, and then we can actually type in here, sign up here to win a chance, okay? And we can, of course, change that a little bit more. I think the size is a little too large, but that's fine for now. So the next thing we're going to do while we got you, and we're going to close out on this series, we're going to go over here and we're going to change out the picture to my picture. So I'm going to click that section, and I'm going to go to the left. It says change image. I'm going to click change image. I'm going to go up to the very top here, my images, because I'm going to use my image. And so I'm going to upload it from the hard drive of my computer. I've already gone ahead and done that. I've created my image right here. I have it in here. I'm going to select it. Then I go to the bottom, edit image. And then I love it. I'm going to click add. And here we go. There you go. All right. So now you've seen everything that it takes. Really, you have a good understanding of creating a digital business card, the why you want to create a business card, why you want to create possibly multiple business cards, and why you want to create maybe a free giveaway of a free report, or some kind of incentive, because you want to move the ball. You want to create conversation. You can't create conversation by somebody just visiting your website and leaving. You want to get them on your mailing list, or so you can SMS them possibly, or whatever way you can contact them. Don't wait for them to contact you. Just go ahead and create that conversation, create that know, like, and trust, and you will come out a winner. So, hey, thanks for being with me in this series, and make sure you like this video and also subscribe to this channel, because we're going to add some more information. If you have a question that you want answered, me do a tutorial on, please reach out to me. My information is below in the description, and you can reach out to me that way on my business digital card. All right, talk with you later.